Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello viewers, today I will bring you news about the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency expression about the difference in weather in Indonesia with me Najwah Aqilah TV. The Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics Agency revealed the causes of different weather in Indonesia territory during the same period. Some areas in Indonesia are in the dry season, while others are experiencing extreme rain and even hail. The head of the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics, Wahid said the different weather dynamics were caused by one factor, namely global warming. Apart from global warming, said Wahid, there are other factors that cause extreme rain, like the atmospheric conditions in Indonesia which are very dynamic. According to him, the dynamic atmosphere in Indonesia is the impact of Indonesia's geographical condition, which consists of islands, mountains, and are located at the equator. That way, it's no wonder that several regions in Indonesia have slightly rainy and dry season. Previously, several areas in East Java are experiencing extreme rain to hail on Monday, 21st February 2022 afternoon. The hail fell as big as apples. It was accompanied by strong winds in Kecamatan village, Surabaya. Even the falling hail went up like a pile of snow. In addition, Aceh is said to have entered a transitional period from rainy season to the dry season on Tuesday, 22nd February 2022. It is characterized of erratic weather. Sometimes it rainy and soon it becomes sunny. They saw Aceh has entered a transitional period from rainy season to dry season, so they needed to watch out for the potential for fires, said the head of the Class 1 the Meteorology, Climatology and Geophysics, Aceh Zakaria Ahmad. A number of areas in Aceh are currently experiencing drought, making it easy for land and forest fires to occur. That's all the news I can cover today. Thank you for watching. I'm Najwah from Aqilah TV. See you and have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.